Hello everyone and welcome to our mini homestead. As you probably, if you're following with us, we did harvest some wheat that we planted it back in the fall, and I show you how I was uh, harvesting and processing uh, the wheat to separate the wheat berries from the heads, and I promised to uh, to let you know by the end of the harvest how many pounds of seeds did we collect. So here is the results. As I promised, I'm gonna give you an update on our wheat harvest. How many pounds did we get? And the answer is zero. It's not that we didn't get any crops, but the process of getting the wheat berries separated from the heads takes so much time. It's gonna take a long time. I tried several methods. I tried a bucket. Uh, I tried a bucket with the lid has a hole in it, and the drill has a spinning piece of metal to break the wheat berries. It's still taking too much time. It's it is time consuming, and you end up half of it done and you have to do it again. I tried a pillowcase, put the heads in and run over it with my wheelchair and get it this way. Same thing. I tried to put it in a feed bag and beat them up with this piece of plastic that I had just from some kind of work. Same thing. It takes so much time to do it. And finally, I tried a mill grinder, and I got. I'm gonna show you. Using the handle will take forever. So I put a bolt here with two knots to hold it in place. I cut the head of the bolt and I squared the end of it by the angle grinder, and I put the drill here, and still the result was not what I expected. So with all these attempts, I'm not going to consider it a failure. It's just something that it takes too much time for me, that I will be neglecting everything else on the homestead. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and mow it, harvest whatever I can collect, and just throw it to the chicken. They do whatever they want of it. If they don't want it, then it will be a bedding for the run or whatever. But they will pick on it and they will get the seeds and they will eat it, and it will be organic feed for them. So, but to go ahead and continue to try to get that project done, it will be unwise decision to neglect everything else on the homestead just to get one project done. Everything here is an experiment. we do something and we're successful in it, we continue doing it. We do something and we have problems and we figure out how to take care of the problems, we continue doing it. But if we find something that it will be more more than what we can actually do, then it's better to just call it off and move on. That's what we're doing. We have a lot of wheat, but we're not gonna process it this way. Please subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell, you get notified for future videos. See you next time and God bless you.